Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to look at the new Hangman game on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. First we need to navigate to the Games folder, and that's in More Applications. So I'm going to click either right or left until I hear that.
Messages, 2 of contacts, More Applications, 4 of 9.
There it is. And if you didn't know, you can use shortcuts. So let me go back.
Call, 1 of 9.
And it said that Applications was the 4th item in our main menu list here. So if I just simply click the number 4,
More Applications, 4 of 9.
it jumps right to that. So that's a quick little shortcut you could use.
Tools, 1 of 6.
I'm going to click OK. Now I need to find Games folder, and I believe that's the 5th one. Let me try that. We'll play a little game here and see if we win.
Games, 5 of 6.
Yes, it worked. So Games is the 5th item in this list, so I just simply pressed the number 5 to quickly jump to it. And I'm going to click OK.
Memory game, 1 of 3.
And we have 3 options in here right now. We will possibly be adding more games in the future.
Hangman, 2 of 3.
But Hangman is the one that we are looking for today. I'm going to click OK.
New game, 1 of 3.
We have 3 options here. The first one is a new game. I'm going to click right on the directional pad to see what the other options are.
Difficulty, 2 of 3.
Difficulty.
Statistics, 3 of 3.
And statistics. This section here just tells me like how many games I've won versus how many games I've lost. Let's go back.
Difficulty, 2 of 3.
Let's see what the difficulty setting is.
Level 2 selected, 2 of 7.
Level 2 out of 7 levels. So I would consider this still in the easy range of difficulty. We'll stick with that for now. Let's go back.
Difficulty, 2 of 3.
And then we're going to go back to new game.
New game, 1 of 3.
Click OK. And we got 4 little drum beats, so that means there's 4 letters in this word. Visually on the screen, it has 4 blanks indicating the 4 letters in the word. So let's go ahead and pick a letter, and we use the keypad here to do that.
P, Q, R. 15 attempts left.
So we got the little sound effect letting us know that there's no R in this word. We used one of our 16 attempts. And it also gave us the drum beat once again, letting us know that there are still 4 missing letters here. So let's try a vowel. Let's just try A.
A. A.
All right, so we got the little ding letting us know that we were correct. 3 drum beats this time with the letter A at the end. So it's always letting us know which letters are missing and where the letters that we have successfully guessed are located.
M, N, O. You win. The word was soda.
I'm not the best at these kind of things, so I apologize. But there you go. You get the idea of how the game works. The tricky part is remembering which letters you've already chosen before, but the game does let you know that the letter has already been chosen and you don't get penalized for that, so that's pretty good. So that was the Hangman game on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. If you guys would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out our other tutorials.